Now we are going to describe the field data type which is used in structure of a record. It is used for making sure that data entries are accurate and in proper format. First, text, formerly Access 2012 or before, and now 2013 and later version, it is short text, which is alphanumeric. Size is up to 255 characters. Formerly, second type, and again it is a text, memo. Now in 2013 or later, long text. The size is up to 1 gigabyte. It controls the display of a long text, which is limited to 64,000 characters for each record. Another data type is number, which is numeric, can be used for calculation. It depends upon the size, 1 byte, 2 byte, 4 byte, 8 byte or 16 bytes. Large number, eight bytes. Date and time, we can display date or time format. It is 8 bytes. Currency, it is a monetary data stored with 4 decimal places of precision, and it uses 8 bytes. Auto number, unique integer value generated by access for each new record, gets incremented or decremented depending upon adding or deleting a record, and is also used in a table where there is no primary key. Yes or no, true or false, that is a boolean. It stores the value 0 for false and -1 for true, and it uses 1 byte. OLE object linking embedding. We can insert picture, graphs or any ActiveX objects from another window based application. It can be up to 2 gigabyte. Hyperlink, a link address to a document or a file on the internet, on an intranet, on a local area network or on your local computer. Uses up to 8192. For each part of hyperlink data, it can contain up to 2048 characters. Attachment, you can attach files such as picture, document, spreadsheet, charts Each attachment field can contain unlimited number of attachments. Uses up to 2 gigabytes. Calculate it. You can create an expression that uses data from one or more fields. You can designate different results data type from the expression. The calculated data type is not available in MDB file format. Size. Depending upon the data type of the result type property, short text data type result can have up to 243 characters. Long text number, yes or no, date and time should match their respective data types. Lookup wizard. The lookup wizard entry in the data type column in design view is not actually a data type. When you choose this entry, a wizard starts to help you to define either a simple or a complex lookup field. A simple lookup field uses the content of another table or a value list to validate the contents of a single value per row. A complex lookup field allows you to store multiple values of the same data type in each row. Then we will have a properties pane in the next lesson. That's all for today. Thank you.